Hey boo, as you can see, my background is a little raggedy, but I wanted to kind of update you on some of the things that I have done and what I'm working on. So, as you see, the background is literally my closet, and I have been working on it so it can look like a nice backdrop. But in the meantime, if you haven't been watching or if you're new, hi, my name is Wayna and I make rental friendly interior design videos. I recently moved out of my dedicated office in June, and I have successfully moved all of my office decor and furniture and files and all that stuff back into my small apartment. So I made a lot of space in my living room and dining room, and I still needed to create a workspace. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I put my desk together. Hopefully this gives you some inspiration if you are trying to create content in a small space like myself. And I also want to show you how you can maximize storage in such a small room, because I'm tapped out on storage in this room. But I just want to show you like how I'm customizing things to make sense and be mobile and actually work properly and function in a small space. I'm so grateful that I'm able to do this now, because your girl was in physical therapy pretty much all summer. So now that that's over with and I'm feeling rehabilitated, I'm going to be getting back into my DIYs and my makeovers, lightly of course, because I don't want to mess nothing up. But yeah, let me show you a few projects that I have worked on. Lord, won't you do it? I had to run all the way back home and get my truck cleared out and get help and come back to pick this up. And I'm like, Lord, please don't let it be gone. If it's still there, it's meant for me to have it. It's meant for me to move out of my office. And guess what? Guess what? It's still here. It's still here. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the third bedroom so that I can store all of my stuff from the office and then move out and save some money and buy a house. That's the plan. That's the plan. All right. Now I need somebody to help me move this.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. Cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, a whole lot of trying, a whole lot of telling me I should be.
So I'm going to show you how I set up my desk. The first thing that I knew I had to tackle was my cord management, and I purchased these items from Amazon. The desk is from Amazon as well. I like it because it has wheels on the bottom and it's pretty lightweight, but I did have to hack this desk. A while ago, I added some wood to the bottom of the desk, and that allowed me to screw in all of the cable management things that I have used over the last 2 years. I don't know why I disassembled this. Actually, yes, I do. I planned on putting my desk in the storage, but then I thought about it. No, I get a lot of work done at this desk, so I decided to bring it home, and now I'm just reassembling everything.
You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away.
Now that I have everything secured to the bottom of the desk, I'm going to place everything where it goes, and then I'm going to start working on the cable management. The goal is to not have anything hanging down. So I'm going to get that together.
Caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself.
And then the last cord is the cord that comes from the power strip, and I'm going to use some Velcro to attach it to one of the legs.
Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
This is my setup in my small office closet, and this was my setup in my office. Next, I'm going to tackle my television situation. Now, I had my TV mounted in this room, but when my son was trying to study for the SATs and I needed to help him, I ended up removing it and placing it in the dining room. So now I have space again, but I don't necessarily want to mount it back to the wall. And so I found this TV stand on Amazon, and I was like, ooh, I want to try this. This would be perfect for someone who does not want to put any holes in their walls. So I'm going to show you how to set everything up. At the time of this recording, I can say that I am pleased with this TV stand. I'm able to move it around without it falling over. The instruction says to move it from the middle of the pole, and so that's what I'm mindful to do when I am moving it, and I can say that I haven't had any issues. I haven't had to almost catch my TV or nothing, and I'm able to put it in the middle of the floor, as well as lean it against the wall, because as you can see, the back legs are a lot shorter than the front legs, so it allows the television to kind of sit on the wall without touching it. So far I like it. And let me know if you want a dedicated tutorial on how to set this TV stand up. But it's pretty straightforward, as you can see. And it comes with a lot of different hardware and screws to fit multiple televisions. And on the next upload, or a few uploads from now, I am going to tackle this back wall. I'm going to do it up, make it over, make it beautiful. I just need to, make this space functional. So those are some of the things that I have done to kind of get acclimated to working back in the home primarily. And that is how I am maximizing my space and creating a functional, productive semi-office in my closet slash wardrobe room slash guest rooms, just basically trying to make space, y'all. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any suggestions for me, I'm open. I don't think I know everything, so if you want to drop some suggestions on how I can go about making this space more functional, let me know in the comments. All right, I will see you on the next upload. Later, boo.